Wanted to put this video together for my fellow Lego friends that don't make the same mistake I did. I've been interested in the Millennium Falcon Lego kit, and through an ad in Facebook, which I kind of blame them a little bit, I saw a link to this sweetoffers.com page and this Millennium Falcon. Well, I mistakenly actually bought this thing. Red flag should have been that I started getting notifications about its shipping, and their emails to me first had links saying it was FedEx. You click on the link, it takes you to some Chinese shipping company. That was the red flag that made me worry about this thing being legitimate. But here's what makes it clever. You got to watch out for that. You look at these images here, this image here on this screen, and this image here on their website at sweetoffers.com. They say Ultimate Collector's Edition Millennium Falcon. Notice they don't say the word Star Wars, they don't say the word Lego. So they're careful with that. But if you go to Lego's page, see the graphic there? That image there. And let's see some of the ones here. There's a couple of images. This one here with the characters outside the ship. And this one on the back of the box are actually used on their website. So there's the other one that's used on their website. So they're actually stealing the graphics from the real product and putting it on the box. Also, which makes you think this is legitimate, these are pictures from the Lego store. And if you notice, it's very fuzzy. The block down there, that actually says Star Wars. So there's Millennium Falcon. There's a couple other pictures here. You can tell it's a Lego store. Look up in the corner there. They're in a store, a retail Lego store. So they took the pictures and put them on their website. So they're letting you believe this is a legitimate Lego. Again, that's taken from Lego's site. This is another one of a Lego store. I mean, they didn't even bother cropping it. Look, you can see all the other products on the shelf there. So that's another picture of the real Lego on the store. This is the one from the back of the box. And this is another picture of the store. You can see even more stuff on the shelf. Look at the pictures right there. You're in a Lego store. They're putting this on the actual page for the product they're trying to sell. And again, this one is taken from the graphics. So everything here in their pictures lead you to believe this is the real thing. The text they use, Millennium Falcon in here, but you notice here they intentionally misspelt Millennium because Millennium Falcon is a trademarked word for Lego, or excuse me, for Star Wars. So I got this thing, it showed up. See, there's a trademark from Millennium Falcon. So I got this thing and it showed up. I immediately didn't want it. I want to return it. It wasn't what I wanted. I'll show it to you in just a minute here. But what's also more interesting, you go to sweetoffers.com website. There's shipping and returns. Read this very carefully. They talk about returns are expected only if you receive the item is not as described or you receive the wrong item. You must notify us within 3 days. Wow, 3 days of receiving it. And I did. I email them every day. I went to their website, filled out a form every day. By the way, they don't respond. I filled it out for 5 days in a row, no response. I'm actually working through PayPal because that's how I paid for this. I filed a claim with PayPal. The only response I got from Sweet Offers was, oh, we never say Legos in our offer. Well, they've got the pictures of the real Legos, so to me that it is not as described. So hopefully PayPal will keep working so I can get my money back on this. But let me show you what this thing is like here. I don't want to keep it. I just don't expect it. Obviously, this is not the box that you'd expect from Lego. It's got this SF Express, which is a China shipping company. And what you're actually getting is this. This is a company who makes knockoff Lego products, Lepin. SweetOffers.com don't say that. They don't disclose. This is actually a Lepin brick manufacturer. Ultimate Collector Series, right? How much more of a copycat can you be? Well, it doesn't say Star Wars, it says Star Plan. They did a fairly good job of following a Lego instruction manual. From what I've seen in other YouTube videos, that's very similar. But it's nowhere near the quality. You just get this big old box. I haven't even unpacked it. But I don't want to do anything to it because I'm trying to return it. They make it very, very difficult. They talk about how you got to pay all the shipping, you got to send it back to China, and email you an address. So I'm cautioning you guys to think twice. Don't make the same mistake I did. Watch out for SweetOffers.com. They're misrepresenting the Lego product, and be sure you really want it. Here's the Lepin website for the LepinBrickstore.com. They actually are pretty clear it's not Legos. All their graphics and pictures are of their product. They don't. It's this apparently distributor that SweetOffers.com is. So hopefully this helps you folks, and you make your own decision up if you want to knock off or not. I never wanted to knock off, and it was my fault. Buyer beware. A deal was too good to be true. It's even funny they even show the price, $799.99 for $329.99, and the Lego one is $799.99. We'll see what happens. Thanks for watching.